Inside today's news video, we have a weekly rotation, bunch of creator announcements, and a new Maker AI update that I will be showing you guys early. Without any further ado, let's get into all the news that we have for today. We'll be digging a little bit into Maker AI's new update later in this video, but to get us started, let's talk about room awards. Recently, we got this announcement from OKOrko saying, creators, we wanted to give a brief update on room awards for April as we go into May. We're continuing to move through the new progressive system with the introduction of the progressive system, and in March, we paid out room rewards to over 800 rooms, a huge jump from paying out around 450 before the system was introduced. We're excited to continue that, and it's never been a better time for creators of all levels to earn rewards for your hard work. We've also refined our criteria to disqualify several low-effort rooms and will continue to do so. As we go forward, we want to continue to update and refine room rewards to help better encourage and reward innovation. You can expect continued refinements to the program. All April reward payouts will be sent out by May 7th, and this will also include the Rooms 2 hoodie for April and March. The room rewards page has updated payout numbers for April and more information about how the payouts work. For May payouts, we're continuing to refine and explore options, and we'll share more in coming weeks. If you're a builder that's been inside of room rewards pretty often, then let me know, how does this new progressive system compare to the old system? Recroom recently made this new forum post about Avatar Studio Blender tools being open source now, or for the public. Sean, the Recroom employee, goes on to say, Recroom Avatar tools for Blender are now officially open source and freely available for all creators. These tools have been the backbone for our Avatar item pipeline. I'll be bringing everything from stylish hoodies to fantastic armor sets to life in Recroom. Now we're handing them over to the community to experiment, iterate, and innovate on your own terms. It's built for artists, for artists. Okay, tech artists. Their team has made sure these tools are as robust and production ready as possible, and from the start we collaborated closely with our internal artists as well as the first 3 waves of UGC creators to kick the tires, find the rough edges, and polish the workflow to a professional standard. Your feedback, experimentation, and your creativity has been instrumental in shaping these tools, and now we're opening the doors even wider. Now what's inside these tools? Avatar tools provide everything you need to model, rig, and export Avatar items in Recroom using Blender. The tools and documentation can help you create custom items from scratch, modify assets from our Recroom official Avatar asset packs, or test ideas in preparation for Avatar Studio's public release. We're still some time away from a large-scale public beta, but we would love to get into more regular candidates of giving creators accents, so stay tuned for more details. As of their most recent update, the tool now fully supports Blender 4.2, giving you access to the latest features and improvements from the Blender community. And you can check out their documents and tutorial videos, and you can get started by downloading the add-on on GitHub. Whether you're an experienced 3D artist or just getting started, we want to see what you can create with them. If you want to talk with other creators about these tools and show off what you built, head to the Creator Hub Discord server. In the Avatar Studio public channel, that's where you can share all of your stuff. And I'll have a link into Creator Hub Discord server inside the description below. Now, what's next? These tools are part of our larger effort to empower creators and make Avatar customization more accessible, flexible, and exciting. If you want to learn more about our art style and the way we work, check out this deep dive on the art style of Recroom Avatar's developer blog. But anyways, go ahead, download the tools, build something awesome, and share it with the community. If you want to apply to be considered for a future wave of Avatar Studio access, you can fill out the creator skills survey here. And that was all for this announcement. Ever since Recroom announced that they would be removing Legacy Bean, a bunch of players inside of Recroom have been pretty passionate about that. People don't feel Recroom is the same anymore, and they want Recroom to actually revert this change and keep Classic Bean. But in case you aren't aware about why Recroom is removing Legacy Bean, it's actually for a good reason. The main reason for removing Legacy Bean, as opposed to just keeping it around, is because there's a developer cost to maintaining the old systems, and they actually prevent the developers from adding some cool new features, like better ability to scale your avatar, for example. There's also performance wins that we can get when we fully remove those old systems from the code. At this point, it's like Legacy Bean is like a little pimple that Recroom needs to pop now. It gets in the way of the developers, and it's going to help push newer cool features into Recroom. And that's a pretty good transition to get into developer talk. Basically, people ask developers questions about updates, and developers will give us sneak peeks to updates sometimes. It also is good for clarification on certain topics like Legacy Bean. Anyways, when Jode Animation was asked if there was an estimated time on the sleeves and gloves being fixed for full body avatars and stuff like that, Jode Animation confirms that the story is still the same on sleeves. We've done all we planned plan to do. So we still don't have a timeline for that, and there are some key ones that are very broken, which I'm looking for time to address. Unsure about the whole lot and what we'll be able to do though. So in short terms, it doesn't seem like they really have an estimated time at all. And recently, for Widget Watch, they had some okay, goodish news on the PS5 crash bug. Essentially, people on PS5 can't use Widget Watch. Goathy confirms that they'll be shipping a brand aid to fix for it next week that'll let us turn the profile panel back on. Unfortunately, it will not have the image of your avatar on it. We needed a bit more time to get the root cause of the crash and then implement a proper fix. UI will still all work though, and you can go and still get the customizable UI if you click the blank spot where the avatar image would have been. Now, Maker AI received 2 new updates. First of all, you can now interact with Maker AI through game chat basically. So essentially, as you guys can see, for game chat here, there's this new AI option, and all you need to do to actually interact with this actual AI option is type in prompts and stuff. So you no longer really need to like talk to the AI if you don't want to. You can actually just text to it as well. And the other feature is the fact that Maker AI can now generate circuits and actually make things do things now. For example, if I ask Maker AI to make this robot chase me, I totally can. Hey Maker AI.
Hello, what would you like to do in the virtual space today?
Can you make this red robot chase me?
The red robot is now set to chase you whenever you come close. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
It said that the circuit's generated, but it's not moving. Okay, now it's chasing me. No way, that's so cool. When it comes to like stuff like this, I can definitely see Maker AI becoming a lot more useful for like newer creators or people that don't know a whole lot about Recroom Maker Pen. Just out of curiosity though, hey Maker AI, can you make this bucket float?
The circuit logic to make the bucket float in place has been successfully created. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to do. If you need any further assistance or have any more requests.
Okay, the bucket is not chasing me. Oh my gosh. Pretty much everything for Maker AI.
If you have any specific requests or need assistance with anything in the scene, just let me know.
Thank you, Maker. I thank you so much. No, but seriously, that's really it. It just had like 2 updates, and honestly, generating circuits like takes forever. I tried to get the bucket or the basketball to like levitate in place. It didn't do that, but the robot started chasing me, so it at least has some competence with circuits. It's definitely not the best though, at all. I'll probably do a stream where I listen to viewer requests and mess with Maker AI inside this dorm room and stuff. So stay tuned. This new Maker AI update will be coming very, very soon. But of course, just stay tuned onto the channel. Before we get into our next news topic, the weekly rotation, let's just have a moment of silence for the delay of GTA 6. It's getting delayed to 2026, man. 2026. We just received a new weekly rotation, as you guys can see by the weekly rotation image, and on the board, we have Original, a new featured creator. You know, I've never seen a featured creator like this before. We also have some new featured rooms as well, if you guys didn't know. There's some new Instagram posts. We got Energetic Ruth there. We got some art. We got Day Day right there. More art of Coach. Oh my god, this is a banger Instagram post. Anyways, we also have a Rainix video. Mwah. We also have a Dude video as well. Mwah. And we even have a Shoida video as well. Mwah. Check out these guys' content if you guys haven't already. They're literally the best. Anyways, though, we have a new UGC. Do I see Among Us? I see Among Us. For our new rotation of UGC items, it seems like we have these honey beats set going on here, where it's just like a bunch of bee stuff. We also have this arcade set as well, where you can be like an arcade machine. We also have like the Batbot pet as well. Comes in different colors. We also have some more arcade pants and shoes and stuff. We also have this cyberware UGC as well. Reminds me of Destiny, to be honest. More sci-fi armor. As you guys can see, it's a little bit more cartoonish compared to the cyberware stuff. We also have this dark robots things going on, as you guys can see. We also have Repo as well. The Repo robot. Chill aliens. We have some pretty alien eyes, some pretty cool alien eyes, some antennae, ears, pink, and even gills. Cyber chins and a bunch of cyber lines. Reminds me of Cyberpunk. We also have a crash test dummy UGC as well, as you guys can see. And there's even Among Us outfits inside this. Oh my god. We also have some Cyber Ninja stuff as well, as you guys can see. We have like this heads up display and stuff. We also have some boots as well. We have hacker gear, where it's just like a bunch of techie stuff, as you guys can see. Pretty interesting and creative UGC. We have this thing called the droids you're looking for, and I'm assuming it's just like a bunch of robot stuff. We have space. We have Star Wars stuff too. This new Void set, where it's just like a black character. Oh my god. We also have light rings like Green Lantern. Okay. We have this captain set as well. A bunch of trinkets and accessories. New hair, as you guys can see. Rec Anon. A sensor bar. Third eye shades. We also have recolored accessories, as you guys can see as well, where it's just like a bunch of swords, scythes. We got some shirts here, some masks. And if you guys want to, you can go back to Sci-Fi Fest Week 1, Week 2, and Week 3. Pause! Wait. I know this was a little, unexpected, but if you didn't know already, I have channel memberships. People that support me through my channel memberships get shoutouts in every single videos, as well as sneak peeks to videos as well. And of course, these people include KobeFan76, Toms, CamVR, Cam, Dexstorm, Sneeko, Names Unlisted, Nolan, Dragon Boy, Garlic Bread, It's Freddy RR, Dozer, BB Burning Owl, Raphael, Netflix69, and of course, Box David. Thank you guys all for the love and support. I really do appreciate it. And of course, let's end this video off. We're in week 4 now, and of course, what are your guys' thoughts on all this new UGC? And at the moment, that's quite literally everything that's new inside of Rec Room right now. Comment Silly Billy if you guys made it this far. I'll be looking in the comments. I might pin you or something, who knows? Unless you give me money. If you super chat in the comments, that's an instant pin. And of course, I'll catch you guys at the next one.